GoldWave Loopback. Hello and thank you for joining me for another episode on my podcast. Today episode, I'll use my vocalizer Direct Tom and show you a feature of GoldWave called Loopback. This useful for people who want to do a record streaming. If you listen to my previous episodes, then you know that I did a podcast about the same feature in Audacity. However, I know that many blind people use GoldWave to record and edit audio, so I decided to do this podcast to share my experience with GoldWave users. So here we go. First, I'll talk about things you may want to know before using this feature. That are, 1. You must have Windows Vista or later. 2. You must have GoldWave version 5.68 or later. In this podcast, I use Windows 7 Ultimate 32-bit and GoldWave 5.70 with JAWS and JAWScript. Now I'll start my GoldWave and demonstrate how to config and record streaming with Loopback. I type GoldWave within my search box.
Menu, search box, edit. GoldWave, GoldWave.
I see GoldWave after type a few characters, so I press enter to open it.
Enter, leaving menus. For a list of GoldWave commands, press JAWS key plus H. GoldWave, there is no open file.
I have GoldWave opened. Now I'm going to open the Control Properties dialog. To open it, you can either use hotkey F11 or go to the Options menu and choose Control Properties. I'll press F11 to open it quickly.
Control Properties, play tab.
When the dialog opens, press Ctrl plus tab to the Device tab.
Record tab. Visual tab. Device tab.
Press tab once to choose the device you want to play the sound.
Tab, playback combo box, speakers left parent Realtek high definition audio right parent left bracket 05E3 right bracket.
Here I choose my Realtek high definition audio because I just have my onboard sound card. If you have multiple sound card connect to your computer, it will be listed here, and you can select what you prefer using up and down arrow keys. I've just choose the device I want to play the sound I'll record. Now I press tab a few times to find the next item that I want.
Tab, playback test button, tab, playback edit, tab, playback alternate, tab, playback qual, tab, record combo box, microphone left parent Realtek high definition audio right parent left bracket 05E0 right bracket.
From the record combo box, use up or down arrow to choose the device named Loopback, plus name of the device you chose at the playback option. I chose speaker Realtek high definition audio in playback, so now I must find Loopback speaker Realtek high definition audio here. I press down arrow key to find it.
Stereo mix left parent Realtek Loopback speakers left parent Realtek high definition audio right parent left bracket 0536 right bracket.
I found what I want. I'll press insert plus tab for you to hear my device name again.
Record combo box, Loopback speakers left parent Realtek high definition audio right parent left bracket 0536 right bracket.
Press tab to find the OK button, and activate it to save settings.
Tab, record tab, record 30 tab, record tab, joystick tab, OK button. Space, there is no open file.
I've just configured my GoldWave to record what play from my speaker, sometimes called record streaming, or Loopback. Now I'll create a new sound file, and demonstrate this feature using GoldWave. I press Ctrl plus N to create a new sound file.
New sound dialog, number of channels, quality and duration, enter. There is no open file. The open file is untitled 1.
I've just created a new sound with the own GoldWave settings. Now, I will press Ctrl plus F9 to start recording, and do the steps I did in the podcast of this feature in Audacity. That are, open my C drive, find my song, enter to play a part, stop it, return to GoldWave window. Then stop recording by pressing Ctrl plus F8.
Start recording, record properties, device : menu, search box, edit. C, : backslash. Enter, leaving menus, system left parent C : right parent, items view multi-select list box, not selected convert PRC. L lu catch song on underline L lick thigh dot dot L loiqageo.mp3. Enter. Jet audio lyric viewer loiqageo. Loiqageo. Alt F4, system left parent C : right, Alt Tab, GoldWave. GoldWave. The open file is untitled 1. Stop recording.
I've just used GoldWave to record my song, as well as the steps I find it. Now I'll play it for you.
Start recording. Record properties. Device : menu. Search box. Edit. C : \. Enter. Leaving menus. System left parent. C : right parent. Items view. Multi-select list box. Not selected. Convert PRC. L. Lu catch song on underline. L. Lick thigh dot dot. L. Loiqageo dot MP3. Enter. Jet audio lyric viewer. Loiqageo. Loiqageo. Alt F4. System left parent. C : right. Alt tab. GoldWave. GoldWave. The open file is untitled 1.
As you can see, GoldWave record all things we hear from the speaker, such as music, our screen reader, so you can use it to record thing from computer, from the internet very well, but remember to turn screen reader off before recording. Beside, you can use this to record a podcast with your voice and your screen reader together. This useful when you want to demonstrate on how to use a program with your screen reader. Listen to my previous episode to know how to do a record with your voice and screen reader together. That's all I'd like to share in this podcast episode. Thank you for listening. See you next time.